To post an IXL assignment directly into your Google Classroom, just follow these quick and easy steps. First, you go into your grade level skills, and then you will see the list of all of the skills. You select the skill that you would like. So if I select one here, you click on the skill, and once you're in the sample, it'll say share skill, and then there are options. You can press the Google Classroom option, and you can choose your class, and then you can say create an assignment, and then say go, and then your assignment will be posted for your students to click in inside your Google Classroom. So this will give you another option. Instead of doing digital worksheets for math, you could also post an assignment from IXL for them to complete.